How to make a climbing salamander. First, you will need a picture of a salamander. It should be about as long as your hand. You can make your own or find one you like online. You will also need crayons or markers, scissors, glue, some thin cardboard like in a recycled box, a plastic drinking straw, some tape, some ribbon or string about 2 yards long, 2 large buttons or beads, and a coin or a large paper clip. Step 1. Color your salamander. Step 2. Cut out your salamander. Step 3. Glue your salamander onto a piece of thin cardboard to make it sturdy. Step 4. When the glue is dry, cut out your salamander again. Step 5. Cut off 2 small pieces of the straw. Make them about 1 inch long. Step 6. Tape the 2 pieces of the straw side by side on the back of your salamander. Step 7. Loop the ribbon or string through the pieces of straw like this. Step 8. Tie the buttons or beads to the ends of the string. Step 9. Tape a coin or a paper clip to the back of the salamander to make it heavier. Step 10. Loop the string over a doorknob or hook like this. Now pull on the ends of the string to make your salamander go up and down.